My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the malicious pop-ups by the site Restorerefinedoverlyinfo-product.info. This is a deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead users and to make them actually download and install certain potentially unwanted software. So you need to disregard all these pop-ups and whatever they tell you, because in many cases such pop-ups display even pretty scary content. It may tell you that your computer is horribly damaged by some malware, but in reality it's a fake alert. So such pop-ups by Restorerefinedoverlyinfo-product.info basically are deceptive, and they could be the result of some adware on your computer. Don't trust these pop-ups and leave this deceptive page. I will also recommend that you research your computer additionally with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.